to do the things that you have received from the meditations you have done. And then while you are doing it, while you are applying it, something is happening to you. He said, for them thou shalt make thy way. So every equipment by transformation, by virtue of personal transformation, every equipment, every character, every authority, every moral character you need to produce prosperity is there. Bible said in Deuteronomy chapter 8 verse 18, he said, thou shalt remember the Lord thy God, for it is he that giveth thee power